based on the animation just now, we can solve the question by using adjoint method. Good. So first, how we can solve is that we have to write the information we obtained in a system of linear equation, and then write the system of linear equation in the form of matrix equation, which is Ax equals to B. Number 3, we find the determinant of A. Number 4, find the adjoint of A. Number 5, find the inverse A, and lastly, we can solve this. So first, the linear equation we can obtain from the question is x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 23, 2x plus y plus z equal to 19, and x plus 2y plus z equal to 16. Next, the matrix equation Ax equals to B is like as shown as on the screen. You can write it like this, and then Ax equals to B. So to get x, we have to transpose sides with inverse of A. So we will get x equals to inverse AB. So the third step is to find the determinant of A. First, we must choose a row, which in here I choose the first row to be used as the determinant. So we must close the first row and also the first column to get the 2 by 2 matrix, which is like this. And also for the second column and then also the third column. So we times that with the original number, and all of this will have their own operation, which is plus, minus, plus, which is right here, the one I showed right at the section. So we can just calculate it like normally, and we will get determinant of A is equal to 3. So next step is to find adjoint A. So to find adjoint A is just the same thing as determinant just now, but we do it for all rows and columns in the matrix 2 by 3. And first we close the first first row and first column. So we'll get this. And then also for the second column and third column. Second row, first column, second column, and also the third column. And lastly, the third row and the first column. Second column. And also lastly, the third column. So that's how we find the x. So we can calculate it normally like this. And this is it's not yet transposed yet, so we must have the G up here. You must put the G here. So you will get this. Adjoint of A is this, but we have to transpose it first. So to transpose, we have to switch the columns to rows and the rows into columns. So we will get this for adjoint A. Okay, and the next step is to find inverse of A. So to find inverse of A, inverse of A equals to 1 over determinant times adjoint A. So we will get this as our inverse of. And the last step is we can solve the equation by substituting the inverse of A and B. So we will get this. So we can get the unknown, which is x equals to 5, y equals to 2, and z equals to 7. So burger is 5 ringgit, fried chicken is 2 ringgit, and pizza is 7 ringgit. So that's one of the ways we can solve the question just now by using adjoint method.
Okay, so next, there's another way for us to find inverse matrix, which is by using AB equals to KI method. However, this method can only be used when we are given two matrices in a question. For example, this question. Matrix A is given such that A equals to 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. And matrix B is 1, negative 4, negative 2, negative 8, 5, 2, 2, 1, and negative 5. And the question asks us to find AB and then find A inverse. So let's read the question first. Three best friends were looking for drinks which are orange juice, apple juice, and mango juice. There were three sets that were offered. The number of each drink is shown in the following table. By using X, Y, and Z respectively to represent the price of each drink, write down a matrix equation to represent the information below. Solve the equation to determine the price for each drink. So this is the table. So next, firstly, we need to find AB. So we write it down first. Then we multiply the matrix as shown. Be careful to not make any mistake, especially with the negative sign, since it could affect the whole answer. Okay, next, we got this matrix after multiplying it. We can factorize this matrix, and AB is equal to negative 9 times identity matrix. So the value of K is negative 9. Okay, then we need to remember that A inverse is 1 over alpha times matrix B. So we can continue to find the A inverse. Okay, so the A inverse is as shown. The next step is to form equation. From the table, three system equations can be formed. Let x equals to orange juice, y equals to apple juice, and z equals to mango juice. So the first equation is 3x plus 2y plus 2z equals to 18, 4x plus y plus 2z equals to 9, and 2x plus y plus 3z equals to 27. So we need to write the system of equation in the matrix form. Okay. And by using inverse of matrix A that we obtained before, we can solve this equation. Okay, so we write it in the matrix form like this. And we need to remember that x equals to A inverse times matrix B. So we write it like this. After that, we can continue with the multiplication until we got the final answer. So the final answer is x equals to 8 and y equals to 5 and z equals to 10. So the price for orange juice is 8 ringgit, the price for apple juice is 5 ringgit, and the price for mango juice is 10 ringgit. That's it. Now you know how to solve real life situation using matrix with inverse method. That's all from us. Thank you.